Well, it's 9:15 and I'm feeling fine. Tequila visions crown my mind. Another pint of memories now before we run out of steam. And at 9:45 it starts over again. It's clear to me the message, my friend. The time has come to fine-tune the promises of yesterday's dreams. You know, I could have been a hotshot, undercover agent, investigating murders by the rivers and streams. You're just some ordinary dignitary with the ways and the means to divide the extremes. The truth may be so, it never may go. But without trying, then how can I know? The time has come to fine-tune the promises of yesterday's dreams. Well, have you heard the big news?